Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you kind of vlog style because I decided that I was going to do a quick whiz around declutter because it's springtime. I want to clean. There's so many things in my house that have been aggravating me that kind of need to be cleaned up, and Sol has a lot of things to bring back into this house. I have asked him nicely if he will declutter his things before he brings them in, but obviously when people have other things and you're a minimalist, oh, just kicked the cat's toy. So yes, I am basically decluttering to make space, to clean, to tidy. I'm not working from home again all the time, so I can't really keep on top of the mess as much as I did before. So I just wanted to do a quick whiz around with you. You can see how much, kind of like a mid-year audit, because we decluttered at the beginning of the year and I want to see how much clutter I have gathered or further things that I can declutter. There's actually nothing really that I have bought that I'm going to declutter or that I know that I'm going to declutter so far. But it's kind of a mid-year minimalist declutter audit video. So if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It obviously really helps out my channel, and let's get on into the video. So just before I get onto the video, I'm currently just getting ready to actually film this video, and my hair is a mess. I decided that I would start decluttering my bedroom already, purely because, apologies for the lighting, purely because I was doing my makeup and I remembered that actually there was a few things in my makeup collection I didn't want or didn't like. And yesterday I also got bored and did my jewellery collection and decluttered that. So this room is kind of half done and it's also a mess because I'm tidying it up. So yeah, I just thought that I would do a quick whiz around now with you, starting with my makeup collection. This is everything I've decluttered. I've also managed to find loads of my scrapbook and stuff and loads of stuff that needs to actually be put away. So I have got some sunglasses, some makeup, obviously some jewellery. I've got some pens which I'm going to give to my little brothers. So yeah, all in all, this will probably all go to Amber. Jewellery will go to obviously the cash people because a lot of it is gold and silver. These will go to my little brothers. I've got loads of clothes here, more than I was expecting actually, which will go into my bags. I keep the bags for a month, and if there's anything I want out of them, I then get it out. And if not, obviously they go to charity shop. And I have an empty jewellery box because I've seriously decluttered my jewellery collection, and that video will come soon. So this is everything from one room. Like, I'm impressed, bearing in mind I declutter on a regular basis. I am very impressed. The only thing obviously I haven't gone through is like my side table, which obviously doesn't have a lot on it. My medals, I'm keeping all my medals, and I obviously haven't gone through Sol's things on this side. So yeah, it's literally all in all nice work. So am I even in focus? There we go. So I've just finished with the bedroom. This bedroom behind me is actually empty, as you can see. It's even got like an empty bed in it at the moment. So I'm just in my office space now. My desk itself is completely minimal. So my desk itself is completely minimal. I literally have like a computer, chair, even in here is pretty kind of minimal. I go through this quite often because obviously I see it every day. So I've got cat litter box, so this needs to go up on the wall, so I'm going to do it today. But essentially I have this storage cupboard which is full of shit. Now cupboard is looking slightly better, so I've still got all of kind of, there's my foam rollers and my running pack, but this is all kind of Sol's weights. This is all my triathlon stuff. We've then got important documents which actually need to be moved, a few books, some wrapping paper, and what do you call it, a sewing box. And then all of here is kind of all the paint for our house. This could go out in the shed, but right now the shed is man cave. And then I've just got some work bits here, and then some more weights at the bottom, so got rid of quite a bit. So I've got some books, a stock pot, some weights, and loads and loads of wrapping paper. And I did also take out the cat's vet box because she is going to the vet. So I would really like her to get used to that as soon as possible, and I would kind of like to incorporate it back into the house. It did used to kind of be incorporated near my office so she could get into it, and she liked it, and then she associated it with the vet. So it'll be really fabulous if I can get her liking that again. So that is everything done here. I'm just going to tidy up this mess, put everything in a pile and go upstairs. So making our way upstairs. I don't believe there's anything in the bathroom. Actually no, there is one thing in the bathroom I want to grab. So my bathroom is pretty empty. But I do want to grab this. This is the shower gel I had to have for my operation. I don't use it anymore. I'm officially 3 weeks post-op, so I don't have to use it. So yes, this is an empty bottle that can be recycled. Okay, and then we come onto my kitchen and my living room. Now, first, can't even talk. Stairs are where we are. First off, there are actually things. There's actually a pile already in my living room because I like sit here every single day and I'm like, oh my god, I want to get rid of this, I want to get rid of this, and I just pile things up. So to start off with, I've got a pile here which has just got a blanket, a scarf and some books on, so that is all ready to be. All of this here is kind of done and sorted. I will do a house tour. Cat's toys I would love to declutter, but she loves them too much. Yeah, I can't think of literally anything else that I need to get rid of in my living room because obviously I've got my turbo trainer, but I'm waiting for my bike before that can go outside. Talking of the cat, she's just literally, can you see? Can you see? Excuse my mess, look. She's currently climbing through the window. Hey, Iz. Hey, girl. You gonna come say hello? You gonna come say hello? Yeah? Say hello, Mummy's viewers. Hello, Mummy's viewers. So I'm zoomed in on my face a lot then. So yeah, there isn't actually anything kind of about here that I want to get rid of. There's things I would love to move. I am going to sort out my photos up here and just put them in my memory box because my bike constantly hits them when my bike is here, and I just spoke to my bike people and my bike is nearly ready, so that is good fun. So I kind of need to get that sorted. But yeah, in regards to the kitchen, I've got a few things like these brake pads which need to go in the bin. I've got some birthday presents that need to go out. A lot of the things in my kitchen aren't even mine, so I've literally got like down here, let me just show you. So down here I've got some car cleaning things which is sold. That is actually a pile of shredding which needs to be done. This is sold. These are sold. These are mine which I burn when I cook. This here is literally just 2 bags we have nowhere else, but these are the 2 that we grab. So yeah, literally none of the stuff in the kitchen to get rid of is mine. I'm very, very good at decluttering on a regular basis in my kitchen. So that is that. The house is officially decluttered, and I'm actually quite impressed with how much I got rid of. I got rid of so many clothes, like so many clothes, and I also got rid of lots of crap from the downstairs cupboard, which is what I really, really wanted to do. So quite impressed with this little whiz around. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will start to show you my minimalist collections for everything, so you can kind of see like my jewellery collection, my capsule wardrobe, because it's so easy when you decluttering things to kind of keep on top of this. And that is it for this week's video. I will see you next week. Bye. So I thought I'd give you a quick overview of everything I've decluttered. So I've got some blankets and everything. These are the drawer. I've left the makeup on the bed. Obviously this room is really echoey, I do apologise. Everything here, and these 3 bags here, or this box and 2 bags here, everything I've kind of decluttered over the last few months when everything was going down in my life, but we won't go into that. So I do actually have kind of 3 bags there. So this is everything that I've further decluttered since the beginning of this year, and honestly I'm not going to miss an absolute thing here.